the ultimate egg diet for rapid weight loss, science-backed tips. Introduction. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Health News, where we're all about helping you achieve your fitness goals. Today, we have something special in store for you, the ultimate egg diet for rapid weight loss. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and feel great, you're in the right place. But remember, before starting any new diet, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Now, let's dive into the details of this incredible egg diet. 1. The power of eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. The egg whites are rich in protein, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, while the yolks contain essential vitamins and fats your body needs. 2. What is the egg diet? The egg diet is a short-term, low-calorie diet plan designed to kickstart weight loss. It typically lasts for 1 to 2 weeks and involves eating a limited number of eggs each day, along with other low-calorie foods. The idea is to create a calorie deficit to promote weight loss. 3. The egg diet plan. Now, let's break down a sample egg diet plan. Day 1. Breakfast, 2 boiled eggs and a piece of fruit. Lunch, grilled chicken breast with a side of steamed vegetables. Snack, a small serving of Greek yogurt. Dinner, a spinach and egg omelette. Day 2. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. Lunch, tuna salad with lots of veggies. Snack, carrot and cucumber sticks with hummus. Dinner, baked salmon with asparagus. 4. Benefits of the egg diet. Rapid weight loss. Due to its low-calorie nature, the egg diet can lead to quick initial weight loss. Nutrient-packed, eggs provide essential nutrients, so you're not depriving your body of vital elements. Satiety. A high protein content in eggs helps you feel full and reduces cravings. Simple and affordable. Eggs are affordable and easy to prepare. 5. Precautions and side effects. While the egg diet can offer short-term benefits, it's not suitable for everyone. Some potential concerns include nutrient deficiency. The diet lacks variety and may lead to nutrient deficiencies if followed for an extended period. Cholesterol. Eggs are high in dietary cholesterol, which may be a concern for some individuals. Boredom and sustainability. The limited food options may lead to boredom and make it difficult to sustain long-term. 6. Conclusion and alternatives. In conclusion, the egg diet can be an effective way to jumpstart weight loss, but it's important to use it as a short-term strategy and not a long-term solution. Incorporate a variety of foods to ensure you get all the nutrients your body needs. For sustainable weight loss, consider balanced and flexible approaches like the Mediterranean diet, the DASH diet, or simply tracking your daily calorie intake while maintaining a healthy exercise routine. Remember, the key to successful weight loss is consistency, patience, and a balanced diet. Make sure to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan. Thank you for joining us today on Health News. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and fitness tips, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay fit, and we'll see you in the next video.